write the following sets in set builder form. So in that, take first question. 3, 6, 9. They given one set, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. This is the elements are listed and separated by comma and enclosed within the bracket, means this is the roster method. This is the roster method. This one we should convert to set builder form. We should convert to set builder form. Let's see how to convert to set builder form. Solution. First we should find out what are the conditions are included in the set. By which condition? Using 3, 6, 9, 12 elements are taking. So here 3, 6, 9. So imagine what are the condition here? There 3, 3 2 is the 6, 3 3 is the 9, 3 4 is the 12, right? Here third table using 3 1 is the 3, 3 2 is the 6, 3 3 is the 9, 3 4 is the 12. That is 3, third table, 3 1s are 3. Take first list the element 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Right now? So here 3 is the common. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are what? Natural number. These are what? Natural number. These are where include in the set. Already told the elements of set are denoted by small alphabet letter. So this natural number can be written in the notation n. Because 3 is the common element, no? I write common term as it is 3. Here changing elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the natural number. Natural number starting from 1. So these are the natural number. Natural numbers are denoted by n. So that is, this n belongs to standard notation natural number n. Right now, this small n 1, 2, 3 are the elements of the standard notation and natural numbers. That's why I write n belongs to n. Right? So now we write in set. So in set builder method, we write set name, anyone take A equal to, we know that to set builder method we take elements x, because what are the elements are take are usually denoted by small alphabet letters x, such that x equal to, this x values are denoted by the condition 3n, right now, comma n belongs to this gap standard notation n, and this natural numbers lies between 1 and 4. 1 and 4, that is starting from 1 less than or equal to this natural number small n, and ending point between ending point 4, starting from 1 and ending to 4. So this n value lies between 1 to 4. That's why I write here 1 is less than or equal to n is less than or equal to 4. So this is the set builder method. This is the set builder method. Let's take another one. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Is there second table here? No. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 3s are 6, but here 8, 16, 32 is there. So take to find out which conditions are included in this. 2 equal to 2. If we write 2 times 2, we get 2 twos are 4. If we take 2 3 times, we get 8. Into 4 times, if we take 16. If we take 5 times, equal to 32. So that implies 2 is the same. What is there? How many times are there? 2? 1. 2 power 1. So if we repeating same terms, that base should be same, that powers are changed. So that equal to 2. Here 2 is there. So 1, 2, 2 to the power of 2. Here 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 to the power of 3. Here 4. And as it is here 5, 2 to the power of 5. That implies, here observe, bases are same, that is 2. That's why I write as it is 2. That powers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This indicates natural numbers. Powers are changed. This indicates a natural number starting from 1 to 5. So that is, these natural numbers denoted by small n. This n is belongs to natural number standard notation n. So this can be written in the set builder form. This can be written as, in set builder form. Set builder form is what? Take set, any set B equal to x such that x equal to 2 to the power of n condition. If we take x equal to, in place of 1 we take x value 2. In place of 2 we get x value 4. In place of n 3 we get 8. In place of n we take 4. 2 to the power of 4 is 8, 16. So x value 16. Next if we take 5, x value 32. So this condition is suitable to this na, and this n lies between 1 to 5. 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. This is the set builder method. Set builder method. So if we get single common property, that is set builder method. Over. Let's take another one. Third one. 5, 25, 125, 625. So this is also similar to previous problem. So do as it is like that. 5 equal to 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that equal to 625. 125 5s are 625. That equal to 5 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 2, 5 to the power of 3 and 5 to the power of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 bases are same. That's 5 powers are 4. So this can be written, 5 is same, na? That's why I write 5. But changes in like natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 5 to the power of n. so that n belongs to natural number n. Therefore, this can be written in the set builder form. Set C equal to x such that x that equal to 5 to the power of n, and n belongs to standard notation n, and n lies between 1 less than or equal to small n less than or equal to 4. Right now, this is set builder method. So next class we will continue some more problems. Okay, thank you.